Welcome. I hope your belief in the law of attraction is growing. And today we're going to be talking about whether or not you need willpower in order to manifest your desires. The idea that you need willpower to manifest your desires from your imagination to the 3D reality is a mistake that can be setting you up for failure. But before I explain what Neville Goddard said about trying to manifest with willpower, I encourage you to check out my affirmation videos and meditations that will definitely get you into the feeling state quickly. And if you've enjoyed the videos that I love putting out there for you, I would really appreciate it if you like them and subscribe, leave your comments. By doing so, you'll be getting these videos in front of someone that it can help by helping the channel grow. And I thank, those of you who have already done so and continue to do so. So Neville Goddard said that unless you are conscious of being that which you seek in vain. If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. He later goes on to say, "It is no effort for me to conjure poverty if I am conscious of being poor." He is saying that instead of fighting against the evidence of the senses, simply claim to be that which you want to be. If you believe that you can only manifest or achieve this thing you desire by having great willpower, it is because you truly have not assumed the state of being that which you want to be. It's going to take a lot of willpower to eat healthy if you don't believe you are someone who enjoys to. It's going to take a lot of willpower to go out on dates and meet different types of people if you believe that everyone out there is likely going to waste your time, not find you attractive, or just be a disappointment to you in one way or another. Instead, you set out by saying, I am loved, and meet people who want to love me. And now your experiences out in the world reflect back a much different story. Your senses reflect back your belief. So the way we manifest is by flowing downstream, and willpower becomes something that we don't need once we assume to be that which we want to be. Once we acknowledge that creation is finished and we actually are that which we desire to be or have that which we desire to have. You cannot serve two masters. Either you understand that what you desire, your I amness from within, is the truth, or you serve the master of your senses. You either believe in your fourth dimensional reality, your imagination, or you only believe by what you see in the 3D. So don't think about how, don't think about whether or not something will require willpower or hard work. If you take one thing away from this, know that once you truly claim, I am that, then your will has nothing to do with manifesting your desires. Once you go within and claim I am, denying the evidence of the senses, you are bringing into reality that new belief. Because the evidence of the senses is the manifestation of past beliefs, oftentimes limiting beliefs. Neville says such struggles are doomed to disappoint. Assume who you are. If you're only using willpower, but you hate everything about what you're doing and you don't truly believe that you are that, it's doomed to disappoint you. Say I am that, and when you do finally believe it, you won't need willpower. What others think is hard work will feel effortless and enjoyable to you. I hope this helps.